Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to cut curtain bangs because I want to change how my hair looks. But last night I washed my hair and I slept in it and my hair is very frizzy, so I'm first going to style it and then I'm going to cut the bangs. So before I style my hair, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris's Extraordinary Oil Serum for all hair types. This is going to help with the frizziness but also give me heat protection while I am going to curl my hair. So I'm just going to use this all over my hair first. I've already talked about how much I love this product and how the L'Oreal Paris's Extraordinary Oil Serum is a combination of 6 rare flower oils as its ingredients, that is lotus, tiare, rose, flax, chamomile and sunflower, that make your hair healthier and manageable. Now I have extremely dry hair and this product helps keep my hair moisturized and helps keep the frizz away. Also, the packaging is extremely environment friendly. It comes in a glass packaging and a pump that is easy to use, and the pump locks, so there's going to be no spillage of product. It also comes in this very cute small 30 ml size that is very easy to travel with because it will fit very easily in any of your bags. So if you have dry hair like mine, then this will fit into your bag with your other essentials so that you can always have it on the go and use it whenever you want. The 100 ml retails for $4.99 and the 30 ml for $2.99. Both these products are amazing for the prices. Now this serum is a very versatile product. You can use this on wet hair, dry hair. Before you take a shower, you can use this as a hair mask. You can use this as overnight treatment. If your hair feels dry, you can use this to moisturize it. It will give your hair shine. It will instantly reduce frizziness. You can use this in so many ways. It's just amazing. If you guys can see, it has already added so much shine and reduced the frizziness so much, even before I could style my hair. So I'm just going to quickly style my hair and be back. So I finished curling my hair, but I haven't done anything in front because I'm going to cut that off. But I like how much shine the serum has provided for my hair. And now I'm going to cut my hair. The reason I want to change the way I part my hair is because I read it in an article that if you are parting your hair on one side for a very long time, it causes hair fall because you're weighing all your hair on one side. So I just thought that, you know, just to prevent my hair fall again, I'm going to change it to center. So I will link the video that I'm using as a guidance in the description box. You can check it out, but I will also show you guys how to do it. Okay, so in the video she says to place a comb on your head and wherever it sits straight is where you should start. This is not even standing. Is where you should start your partition from. So I'm going to start it from here. And then you have to use the arch of your eyebrows as a guidance to part your hair. So that is what I'm going to do. I am going to part my hair in that direction. Okay, so I somehow managed to get this partition. It was not easy at all. And this is the first time I'm cutting my hair, so I'm kind of nervous. But I'm just going to wet my hair now. And then I think I'm going to use my chin as the guidance for my length. Okay, my hair is wet now. I'm just going to, so I'm going to hold it and I'm going to go a little below my chin because I'm very scared, but I also know I'm using the wrong scissors, but this is what I have right now. Okay, so that is done. And then in the video she says you need to take a middle partition. She also mentions to trust the process, so I'm not going to panic. Next, she says to use your comb just the way your partition is, so it is diagonal, and then get your fingers like that, and you're not going to cut the end, but you're going to cut everything else that is there. So and I'm going to do the same thing this side. So I'm going to place the comb parallel to the partition that I've made. Okay, so now I'm just going to style it. Okay, so I'm kind of happy with the way it looks. It has really changed my face and it's framing my face really well. But to finish it off, I am going to use the serum again, just a little bit to style it. I mean, after styling, to just finish off and give it some kind of shine. So that's it for the video, guys. It's going to take me a while to get used to having the center partition done, but I will leave the links to everything in the description box. And if you did not explain what I was doing with the bangs, I will leave the link to that video in the description box. You can check it out because she was much more clear, because she is a hairstylist. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.